7 eye contact tricks that make people respect you. Eye contact is one of the most powerful silent forms of communication we possess. It doesn't require a single word, yet it has the ability to inspire trust, spark attraction, command respect, or reveal insecurity. Many people underestimate its impact, but when used with intention, eye contact can transform not only how others see you, but also how you see yourself. For adults over 25, whether in personal relationships, social situations, or professional settings, the ability to project confidence, empathy, and strength through your gaze can completely shift the way people respond to you. In this guide, we'll explore 7 eye contact tricks that make people respect you. But this isn't just about psychology, it's about practical application. By the end, you'll not only understand why eye contact matters, but you'll also walk away with simple strategies you can practice daily to strengthen your presence at home, at work, and in every interaction you have. The silent language of the eyes. Before we dive into the tricks, let's first understand why eye contact is so powerful. From birth, humans are wired to seek connection through the eyes. A baby stares into their mother's eyes before they can even form words. Lovers lock gazes in moments of intimacy. Leaders hold steady eye contact to inspire trust in those who follow them. When you avoid someone's eyes, you signal discomfort, fear, or dishonesty. But when you hold eye contact with warmth, intention, and steadiness, you project strength and authenticity. This is why mastering eye contact is not about manipulation, it's about alignment. Your eyes reveal whether your words are real, whether your confidence is genuine, and whether your respect for others is sincere. With this foundation, let's uncover the 7 eye contact tricks that command respect and how you can apply them. In everyday life, Trick 1. Hold eye contact long enough to be felt. Not feared. One of the biggest mistakes people make is either avoiding eye contact too quickly or holding it for so long that it feels intimidating. The secret lies in finding balance. Psychologists suggest a simple rule: hold eye contact for about 3 to 5 seconds in one-on-one interactions. That's long enough for the other person to feel seen, but short enough to avoid crossing into discomfort. Imagine this: you're introducing yourself at a meeting. If you dart your eyes away immediately, you signal insecurity. But if you calmly hold their gaze for a few seconds, smile slightly, and then look away, you create an impression of confidence and ease. At home application, practice this with your partner, children, or even in the mirror. Look into their eyes and hold your gaze long enough for connection, not interrogation. Over time, this balance becomes natural and people will sense your quiet authority. Trick 2. The power of the triangle technique if direct eye contact feels too intense. Use the triangle technique. Move your gaze between the person's 2 eyes and their mouth, forming a gentle triangle. This method helps keep your attention steady without feeling overly piercing. It also shows attentiveness, which makes people feel respected and valued. For example, in a job interview, shifting nervously or looking away makes you seem unprepared. But using the triangle technique conveys that you're fully present, listening, and engaged. At home application. Next time you talk to a friend or loved one, consciously use the triangle. Notice how it eases the tension while still keeping your presence strong. Over time, you'll find people opening up more easily to you. Trick 3. Match eye contact with your energy. Eye contact isn't just about length, it's also about intensity. When you're speaking about something serious, your eyes should match that gravity. When you're sharing joy or humor, your eyes should soften and sparkle. Too often, people keep a flat, disconnected gaze that feels robotic. Respect is born when your eyes reflect authenticity. Think of a leader giving a heartfelt speech. Draws you in isn't just their words, but how their eyes radiate conviction. At home application. When talking with family, don't multitask or glance at your phone. Give them your full attention, letting your eyes show presence. This simple act communicates you matter. And nothing earns respect faster than that. Asterisk trick 4. Break eye contact slowly. Not abruptly. The way you break eye contact matters just as much as how you hold it. Abruptly looking away communicates nervousness or avoidance. Instead, break eye contact slowly and purposefully, perhaps by looking slightly down or to the side with calmness. This subtle movement signals composure. For instance, during a presentation, if you suddenly snap your eyes away from the audience, you lose authority. But if you shift your gaze gently, scanning the room, you appear in control. At-home application. Practice during casual conversations. When you feel the need to look away, do it smoothly. This creates a natural rhythm of connection and disengagement that people respect. Asterisk. Trick 5. Use eye contact to anchor your words when making an important point. Lock eyes at the right moment. For example, if you're telling your team, "We can overcome this challenge together," hold eye contact during the word "together." This anchors your words emotionally and makes them memorable. Politicians, teachers, and leaders often use this trick because they know the eyes reinforce the message far more than the voice alone. At-home application. Next time you reassure your child or spouse with words like "I'm proud of you" or "I believe in you," hold eye contact as you say it. You'll see how deeply your words land. Asterisk trick 6. Blink less. Breathe more. Rapid blinking can signal nervousness, anxiety, or dishonesty. To command respect, practice slowing your blink rate and pairing it with calm breathing. This creates a sense of grounded presence. People perceive you as trustworthy, composed, and emotionally strong in high-pressure moments like negotiations or conflicts. Those who control their eyes and breath hold the room. At-home application. Try this during difficult conversations. Instead of reacting with scattered energy, breathe deeply, blink slowly, and keep your gaze steady. You'll notice the dynamic shift in your favor. Asterisk trick 7. Let your eyes listen. Perhaps the most powerful trick of all. Use your eyes to listen, not just to speak. When someone talks to you, don't just wait for your turn. Let your gaze show that you are absorbing their words, their emotions, their essence. People can feel when your eyes are impatient or distracted, but they can also feel when your eyes are present, compassionate, and fully engaged. Respect is not only about making people see your strength, it's about making them feel seen. Omacation. During your next conversation, especially with someone close, silence your inner dialogue. Let your eyes listen. This builds bonds that words alone can never achieve. The deeper psychology behind respect and eye contact. Why do these tricks work? Because respect is not forced, it's earned through presence. Eye contact communicates 3 things people unconsciously look for: confidence. Do you believe in yourself? Trustworthiness. Can I rely on you? Empathy. Do you care about me? When your eyes align with these qualities, you naturally command respect. It's not about dominance, it's about balance. The strongest presence is one that blends strength with humanity. Building habits. How to practice at home. Many adults struggle with eye contact simply because they haven't practiced. Like any skill, it grows with repetition. Here are 3 exercises you can try daily. Mirror gaze. Spend 1 minute each morning looking into your own eyes in the mirror. Notice how it feels. This strengthens self-connection and self-respect. Silent listening. Have a short conversation with someone at home and focus only on eye contact. No phone, no distractions. Train yourself to listen with your gaze. Tensional. Anchor. Pick one phrase you say often, like "thank you" or "I appreciate it," and deliver it with steady eye contact. Watch how the impact multiplies. The ripple effect of respectful eye contact when you master eye contact. The benefits ripple outward. In relationships, your partner feels seen, valued, and secure. In parenting, your children learn confidence and emotional safety. In leadership, your team feels inspired and motivated to trust you. In social life, strangers warm up to you, sensing authenticity. Ultimately, your eyes become a mirror of your character. And when character and gaze align, respect flows naturally. Conclusion: the respect you seek is already within you's truth. Eye contact doesn't just change how people see you, it changes how you see yourself. When you dare to hold steady eye contact, you face not only others, but also your own fears, doubts, and insecurities. And in that silent courage, something powerful awakens. Self-respect. People respect those who respect themselves. And eye contact is the simplest yet most profound way to embody that truth. So, the next time you walk into a room, remember, your eyes are speaking long before your lips do. Let them tell the story of your confidence, your empathy, and your strength. Final words to you. This message resonated with you. Let it be more than just knowledge. Let it become practice. Begin today. Look into someone's eyes and let them feel your presence. Watch how the world responds. And if you found value in this, I invite you to support this journey. Subscribe to Awaken Mindset, where we explore the depths of psychology, self-respect, and personal growth. Together, we can awaken not just the mind, but the spirit, because the respect you seek, it begins with you, and it begins with your eyes.